There are so many things said about plunging necklines. लेकिन क्या कभी सोचा है कि how much cleavage is good cleavage?
Today I'm going to help you crack all the myths around how to manage your cleavage. Yes.
ऑफिस में तरह तरह के लोग होते हैं, जैसे वो weird looks देने वाला अकाउंटेंट
और एक रंगीन मैनेजर.
So I would say wear a collarbone high neck.
Like maybe turtleneck, maybe till chin high sometimes. Yeah.
And maybe strangle yourself. Because ये भी कोई दिखाने की जगह है क्या?
No, in the gym there's already so much of pressure of losing weight, sweating it out is not enough. You have to also keep in mind that your t-shirt is also like almost like a safari neck.
Go for the 6-inch deep rule. The 6-inch deep rule. What were you thinking? क्योंकि जिम में men होंगे, so you have to watch your assets, and after all you're working hard on your body to cover it all up, na?
The heat and sweat it out more and lose more weight. It's very healthy in longer run.
When at a crowded place in the evening, so this is twice tricky. Crowded place भी है, evening भी है, and कहा जाता है कि अपनी safety अपने खुद के हाथ में होती है. So I would say wear a polo neck. Doesn't matter if it's the summer or not cold. You may still be pinched, but क्या कर सकते हैं? If that लेची कैबी या वो अजीब सा इंसान अगर वो कुछ देख नहीं पा रहे तो शायद उन्हें आइडियाज कम आएंगे, है ना?
In the club, I think this is the most tricky one. Just scarf it up.
Maybe shawl it up. मम्मी का या नानी का या दादी जी का ना शॉल ही ले लो and just cover yourself up.
Yeah, hopefully it will become new style statement.
Safety is the most important. Last but not the least, on supposedly the most important day of your life, your wedding day, cover it all up, because उस दिन सबकी नजरें आपकी तरफ होंगी, and I would say, yeah, why do you want to create a scandal? यार, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, तो ससुराल वाले क्या सोचेंगे? You don't want to start your married life like that, na? So I just say cover it all up. Best. In case you didn't know or you forgot, just want to remind you.
We are women. We are born with it.
If you have it,
flaunt it.
It's my body. भगवान ने कुछ सोचकर ही बनाया होगा ना, तो दूसरे लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं ये भगवान की प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी नहीं. Big, small, different sizes, loose, tight, whatever. It's ours and it's our right to celebrate it.
I'm proud of it.
I'm proud of what I am and what I have.
Are you?
Are you?
This Women's Day, let's celebrate what we are and what we have.